Pluto, a small, icy world billions of miles away, has a fascinating story. Discovered in 1930, Pluto was considered our solar system's ninth planet for over 70 years. Then, in 2006, the International Astronomical Union made a controversial decision. They reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet. This decision ignited debate and sparked curiosity among people worldwide. Why was Pluto demoted? What are the differences between planets and dwarf planets? Let's explore the real story of Pluto and its place in our cosmic neighborhood. Imagine our solar system as a bustling city. The sun, our star, is the downtown area. Planets are like well-established neighborhoods with clear boundaries. Asteroids and comets are like the city's busy traffic, zipping around in their designated lanes. In this cosmic city, Pluto was like a newly developed suburb on the outskirts. It had some of the characteristics of a neighborhood, but lacked others. The reclassification of Pluto provided a clearer understanding of our solar system's structure. It highlighted the diverse range of celestial bodies that exist beyond the traditional 8 planets. But Pluto's story is not just about scientific classification. It's about our evolving understanding of the universe and the constant quest to explore the unknown. Pluto's journey began with its discovery by astronomer Clyde Tombaugh in 1930. At the time, Pluto, even with its faint appearance, was hailed as the 9th planet. It was a time of exploration and discovery, and finding a new planet was a momentous occasion. Pluto, named after the Roman god of the underworld, captured the public's imagination. For decades, Pluto held its planetary status, becoming a familiar part of our solar system model. However, as technology advanced, astronomers began to discover more objects in the outer regions of our solar system. These discoveries challenged the traditional definition of a planet. The outer solar system, once thought to be empty, turned out to be a rich and diverse region populated by icy bodies, some of which were similar in size to Pluto. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, the discovery of objects like Eris, Sedna, and Quaoar, located in the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune, shook the foundations of planetary science. These objects were comparable in size to Pluto, and even shared some of its orbital characteristics. This raised a fundamental question. If Pluto is a planet, shouldn't these objects be classified as planets too? To address this dilemma, the IAU, the governing body responsible for astronomical nomenclature, established a new definition of a planet in 2006. According to the IAU, a celestial body must meet 3 criteria to be classified as a planet. 1, it must be in orbit around the Sun. 2, it must be massive enough for its own gravity to pull it into a nearly round shape. And 3, it must have cleared the neighborhood around its orbit, meaning it is gravitationally dominant in its orbital zone. Pluto meets the first 2 criteria. It orbits the Sun, and it is spherical. However, it fails to meet the 3rd criterion. Pluto shares its orbital neighborhood with other Kuiper Belt objects, indicating that it has not cleared its orbital path. This led to the creation of a new category, the dwarf planet. Dwarf planets, like Pluto, meet the first 2 criteria for planets, but not the 3rd. They are celestial bodies that are large enough to be round, but have not cleared their orbital neighborhood. Other dwarf planets in our solar system include Eris, Makemake, Haumea, and Ceres, which is located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Pluto's reclassification as a dwarf planet was a significant event in the world of astronomy. It sparked debate and discussion among scientists and the public alike. Some people felt sentimental about Pluto losing its planetary status, while others welcomed the updated classification system. The reclassification of Pluto was not a demotion in the true sense of the word. It was a scientific refinement based on new discoveries and a deeper understanding of our solar system's dynamics. It highlighted the diversity of objects in our solar system and emphasized the importance of accurate classification in scientific endeavors. The discovery of dwarf planets and the reclassification of Pluto expanded our perspective on the solar system. It showed us that our cosmic neighborhood is far more complex and intriguing than we once thought. It also opened up new avenues for research and exploration. Even though Pluto is no longer considered a planet, it remains a fascinating and scientifically valuable object. It is a complex world with a thin atmosphere, mountains, plains, and even evidence of ancient lakes and oceans. Pluto's surface is covered in various ices, including nitrogen, methane, and water ice. Pluto has 5 known moons, the largest of which, Charon, is so large that it and Pluto are sometimes considered a binary system. This means that they orbit a common center of gravity located outside of Pluto itself. The New Horizons spacecraft, which flew by Pluto in 2015, provided us with stunning images and valuable data about this distant world. The data revealed a world far more geologically active than previously thought, with evidence of cryovolcanoes and a possible subsurface ocean. The reclassification of Pluto serves as a reminder that science is an ever-evolving process. As technology advances and our understanding of the universe grows, we can expect further refinements in our classification systems. The debate about Pluto's status has sparked a renewed interest in planetary science and encouraged further exploration of our solar system and beyond. The discovery of new objects in the Kuiper Belt and beyond will continue to challenge our understanding of the solar system. It is possible that, in the future, we may discover more dwarf planets or even objects that blur the lines between the existing categories. The story of Pluto's reclassification is a testament to the power of scientific inquiry and the importance of adapting our understanding in light of new discoveries. It reminds us that the universe is full of surprises and that our quest to explore and understand our cosmic surroundings is an ongoing journey.